Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. Again, we have a very beautiful project at the moment. It's a Nissan Skyline GT-R R34. It's in white color. We need to change the color, and we have to do it into two colors, and we have to fade it in the middle from the bumper to the bumper. And that car is being owned by Effie Exclusive Autos. As you know, he sells supercars, and he always on YouTube and with officially gas. So that car has a very beautiful history with the drag race. So let's show you the car and then what we're going to do with it. So of course this is the car, and as you can see it's in white color. So one side has to be different color and the other side completely different color as well. And on the engine bay, when we open the engine bay, the engine is already off, so we have to strip it completely, take everything off so we can get it painted properly. And then as well, that side has to be one color and this side has to be one color, and even on the bonnet from inside has to be two colors. And we have to fade it so the paint goes into each other, blend it into each other. So that's like that car. We have painted the engine bay. So even if a car has to be exactly the same, taking everything off, masking it up properly and get it painted. So basically front window screen has to come off, quarters windows has to come off, and the back window screen has to come off. So, and plus the car has to go bare metal. So 2 quarter panels, boot lid, and the roof, 2 doors has to be bare metal. And then when we open the doors, everything from inside has to be changing color. Inside the door as well, we need to change the colors. That Mr. Effie, he just got fed up with that color. The car is very clean, no dents on it, no scratches, no issues. But he just want to change the color. He want to do something special. Nobody has done it yet on the Nissan, the R34. So of course everything has to be stripped, and then we're gonna start on it soon. We're just waiting for the window screen man to come and take the windows for us. And then of course we got here like a Tommy Kyra. We got there, this is my own project. That's going to be an orange color, and that in black one. Then we got the R33 there. There's the Cobra there. So we're looking forward into that car. And then of course guys, I'm going to do we got another bonnet, so we have to do the test on it, and then we're going to show you later on how the color is going to look like. Taking the bumper off. That's the bumper is off at the moment. Okay. Now we're taking the rear bumper off. Okay, what we're doing now, on the edges, we're going bare metal with the sand machine, because we don't want to disturb the paint from inside when we start using the paint stripper. We don't want to disturb it because it's absolutely perfect and nice and clean. We're just doing the edge now. The reason is we're doing the edge and then we mask it, so we don't want to get that disturbed. So that's what we do, about 3 centimeters all around the panels,
So when we put the paint stripper, we just put it around here, because once the paint stripper goes in here, that we're gonna destroy the inside, and the which is inside is absolutely perfect and nice, and this is like a genuine paint, original paint. So we really we don't want to disturb it. So that's why the reason we're grinding from the sides bare metal, and then paint stripper we just apply it on the middle of the panel. So now what we're doing, we're scratching the paint like this side. So we have to scratch it properly. So when you put the paint stripper goes into the paint, and it will be easier to bubble up and then sunk inside it, and it will be easier to scrape it and make all the paint stripper goes properly, and within no time it start bubble. So now it's time to apply the paint stripper. We have to put extra, so a little bit won't help, so we have to put proper and big amount. So now you can see this side we have already put the paint stripper and start bubbling, and now we need to scrape it, and then of course we have to put again paint stripper and scrape it again till we go bare metal. So definitely we go together step by step what we're doing. So now we're scraping the paint. It's already bubbled and it's ready to eat. It's ready to take off. And then of course we have to do another coat and another coat till we go bare metal. So that's how we go bare metal into the panels. This is the nicest and not the quickest, but it's safe for the panels, for the metal. Some people they heat it up, which is make ripply and all that. So this is the best way to go bare metal into the restoration. All the bits of pieces, side skirts are ready for primer. We rub down properly. All the stone chips were here's all been get rid of. And this the back bumper. We have to cover the skyline, the writing, otherwise if we primer it, it will be disaster. So we keep it like genuine, no paint, not a lot of paint, not a lot of material, so it will appear perfectly. And this is the front bumper, proper rubbing down. And now we're gonna apply the primer on it. This is one of the completely bare plastic or fiberglass. So all these bits of pieces are ready now for primer. Hello FE, how are we doing? This is the situation on the car. We clean the rear panel properly, and now we're making it ready for epoxy primer. As you can see, we've gone bare metal completely, even on the wheel arches as well. That's all bare metal, proper. And these the doors, bare metal, even here under the handles. We went too crazy into it, absolutely mental. And then here as well. So this is the engine bay situation at the moment. It's being stripped, and we got only surface rust here, so that's all gone bare metal. Need to rub it down and make it ready for paint. We stripped it, and now this is the situation. So if you see the roof is being prepped and ready for epoxy primer. So that's how it should look before epoxy primer. So basically when we go bare metal, we have to DA it, clean it properly, make it a little bit rough, so the epoxy primer goes into the metal. It's like an acid primer. That's the difference between the quarter and the door. The door is too smooth, so it shouldn't be too smooth, it should be quite rough. And then after the epoxy primer, we're gonna start do the filler work, and then we'll definitely show you as well how we're doing the epoxy primer when we mask the car, put it on the oven, do the epoxy primer inside, everything between, even the edges, to make sure, especially here, we don't want, when we paint the car, we have an issues on the edges. So this is the situation at the moment into the baby. Okay, what we're doing now, this is the bonnet obviously, and we're doing we put guide coat in black color, and now we're blocking it because this is a carbon fiber, sorry, and it's a bit ripply. So now we're blocking it. As you can see, some areas still like, because it's not straight, it's not flat, you got some ripples. So now it will tell us where to imperfection, so we're gonna make it perfect. And then of course after we blocking it, we have to primer it, and then once we primer it, we block it again, so it will become like proper and nice and straight. As you can see here guys, some of the areas quite low, so it's still in black. So now when we reshape it, rubbing it down, that will become like proper straight. Now you can see, basically. So this is the wing. We had some ripples on it, so we have rectified it. We blocked it properly because those, what you call it, is a carbon fiber wings. They are in good condition, but there is some ripples, so we have blocked it, and now it's ready for primer. Even on the top, we weren't happy with the way it was before, so it's been painted and they never been rectified it. So that's the wing, and this is the bonnet. The bonnet same, we have blocked it, and now it's ready for primer. And then of course after primer we block it again, make sure it's proper straight. And this is the other wing as well. We're doing it exactly the same way. Block it, make it nice and straight, throw the primer on it, and make it ready for blocking, to make it nice and proper. Primer inside, all being prepped properly. This This bits of piece is already on primer. This is the first coat. So we have to do them 3 proper coats. Make sure all being covered properly, so when we block it, we have enough primer on them